To extra depth and perspective now. An El Paso medical lab is hoping to provide some relief for those who are suffering from a debilitating disease. ABC 7's Mauricio Casillas shows us the new treatment trial that's underway for El Pasoans with multiple sclerosis.
Dr. Jose Burgos performs an exam on Eric Sebastian. He was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis 8 years ago. It was a life-changing diagnosis.
You don't know how horrible it is to wake up in the morning and only to know that you can no longer move yourself.
Multiple sclerosis is a disease that impacts the brain and spinal cord. Symptoms include numbness, pain, paralysis, even blindness. Eric lost vision in his right eye, and at one point, the only thing he could move in his body was one of his arms.
This sickness could happen to anyone.
But now, Eric says the treatment he received at El Paso Medical Research Institute has changed his life. Dr. Burgos believes these treatments offer a lifeline for El Pasoans with the disease.
We have a lot of young people, we have a lot of people who actually have been diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, people who are not on treatment, people who cannot afford to be treated.
One of the advantages of this treatment is that it's an oral pill, which makes things easier for MS patients. Sometimes the treatments involve having to sit in an infusion center, and that can take hours, which can be a big inconvenience to patients.
The problem continues to be access to therapy, which is what we're trying to deal here in El Paso. We want people to have more access to medications.
Dr. Burgos tells me treating MS can sometimes cost uninsured patients thousands of dollars a month. Many just can't afford it, and their symptoms get worse.
There is absolutely no cost involved to the participants on the study, not for the medications, for the studies, for the visits, for any of that. Everything will be completely covered.
Eric wants those who are suffering to know that medicine can make a massive difference. He was once bedridden, and now he walks on his own. You feel like you've regained
my life, my entire life again.
Since this is a phase 3 trial, Dr. Burgos says the drug has been deemed safe. Now it's just a matter of seeing how this drug does compared to other treatments. Mauricio Casillas, ABC 7.
The clinic is looking to enroll male and female MS patients between the ages of 18 to 55. The treatment is free for enrollees, and the trial will last 2.5 years. For more information on how to enroll, just go to our website, kvia.com.